Hey everybody, it's Famine from Famine Studios. I hope you guys are doing well. Be sure to check out the links down below to my Ko-Fi and also to my Amazon wishlist if you want to see projects like this continue. Today's project that I'm showing off here is a little mobile kitchen I made from a resin-printed Gonk-Droid half that I used. It was a failed print, but I managed to rescue it and turn it into something cool. I put in a dollar store LED inside of this, took apart a toy grill, placed it there, and I've got pots and pans for those guys to cook. As you can see, the umbrella is the Firefly, Kaylee's umbrella from the pilot episode of Firefly. Very iconic, and it is my favorite space western. Wanted to check in with you guys and let you know it is January. Usually a little bit of rougher month for content creators just because it's, coming off the holiday season, but we're getting back into the swing of things. I do have some stuff coming down the pipeline, and if you want to see more, again, please check out the Ko-Fi down below. Consider donating a coffee, or the cost of a coffee. It helps the channel, helps keep me going. We've got our little gray alien here, again, with his UFO, trying to figure out if he can park here, and then I've got my Acid Rain X Toy Pizza. Basically, Space Cowboy, and again, that's kind of my jam, that cyberpunk Space Cowboy thing, but I wanted to check in with you guys, make sure you know I'm thinking of you, gonna have some more stuff out. Please check out those links. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and we're doing the giveaway very soon. We hit 600. Thank you!